हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो खेल कूद भी हो गई, घूमना भी बहुत हो गया है. So now it is time to be back to pavilion to prepare yourselves for the coming board examinations. तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि लास्ट ईयर तो बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस हुए नहीं हैं, पता नहीं इस बार एग्जाम्स होंगे या नहीं होंगे. तो डोंट वरी, CBSE has clearly specified that in any case 2022 board examinations will happen whether it be online or offline. तो पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा. As you are already aware that CBSE has announced its new special assessment scheme for classes 10 and 12 for 2022 examinations. It is completely based on rationalized syllabus and will be conducted in two terms, that is term 1 and term 2. Second, it has internal assessment also. Term 1, it is completely based on rationalized syllabus including 100% multiple choice questions, which includes case-based and assertion reasoning type questions. It will be conducted on an OMR sheet and it could happen online if pandemic happens again. The duration of term 1 is 90 minutes. The scores of term 1, the marks of term 1 will contribute itself to the final overall score of students. Now we talk about term 2. Term 2 again it is completely based on 50% rationalized syllabus including subjective type questions, which includes your case based, your situation based questions, very short answer type questions, long answer type questions, and it will be an offline exam and it will be conducted in your school. In case pandemic happens again, then term 2 will again be an objective type question like term 1 and will be conducted online. So Blueprint Education is coming up with their new product, Mastermind Question Bank. It is completely based on the rationalized syllabus and is according to the new assessment policy. It has chapter wise summaries, it has multiple choice question with their answers and along with their explanations. It has tips and tricks. बहुत छोटी tips and tricks आपको बताई गई हैं that will help you score more marks. It has common errors. ये वो errors होते हैं जो हमें पता भी नहीं होता और हमसे गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं, and because of that छोटी गलतियों की वजह से we lose our marks in our board examinations. And it has NCERT and NCERT exemplar questions. I am 100% sure that this Blueprint Mastermind Question Bank will prove to be your best companion for your coming board examinations.